Hello, this is Sam and welcome to Just Do It Content. So today our topic is about top 8 greatest small business ideas in 2024. So if you're thinking about starting a business, you should be considering whether your idea fills a need in a way people live their life and approach their work. This list of 8 great business ideas will help you get started. Number 1. Online reselling. So if you're interested in clothing and sales, you might consider starting an online reseller business. Although it takes time, dedication, passion, and an eye for fashion. You can start your business as a side hustle and turn it to a full-time resale business. Remember, in this business, it all depends how actively you are managing your online presence. Number 2, t-shirt printing. So if you're, have a sense of a fashion or humor, you might enjoy launching a t-shirt printing business. You can also license someone else design and screen print them onto a black tee. Either way, if you have a space for a t-shirt printing setup, you can easily acquire the necessary tools to get started. Online teaching. The demand for online education has opened up possibilities for entrepreneurs. Since this is an online venture, you can choose any subject about teach a course regardless of location. If you don't have advanced knowledge in any particular subject, consider teaching English as a foreign language online, to students overseas. Freelance writing business. Freelance is really one of the easiest online business to start in 2024. A computer and an internet connection are all you need. Contrary to a popular opinion, you don't need to have a degree in journalism, literature, or English to get started. You don't even need to have a native English speaker to break into freelance virtual assistant services. Many small business owners need helping hands to keep their business going and won't mind paying to get one. Why not cash in on this opportunity by offering virtual assistant services to these businesses and entrepreneurs? All you need to do is help them manage booking appointments and send reply to emails and play the major role in customer service. Social media management services. Having a solid online presence is key to surviving and staying relevant in business in this digital age. Whether it be managing your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn accounts. Little wonder why many companies are jostling to establish themselves on social sharing sites no matter what. Video editing. Hey, did you know that YouTube is the second largest search engine just after Google? Strange, isn't it? This is a clear indication that video consumption is soaring, and with the increase in the video popularity, it is advised to make videos using creative slide templates to reach your audience virtually. E-commerce store, one of my favorite. Thanks to the internet, selling is now way easier than ever. We can sell products to people on the other side of the planet without stressing about it. When done right, an e-commerce business can be extremely profitable. Choosing the right e-commerce platform is vital for the success of your own business. You can use platforms like WooCommerce, Shopify, and there are some that you can try. Starting a business and finding success with it can be demanding, but at the same time rewarding. So if you're stuck on ideas, try any of these 8 small business ideas shared in this video.